Number porting allows you to transfer your existing phone number to a new Straight Talk phone, so you can keep your current number when switching carriers. First, ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Straight Talk's network. An unlocked phone can work with any carrier, while locked phones are restricted to their original carrier. You'll need a Straight Talk SIM card, which comes in BYOP, Bring Your Own Phone, kits that include all SIM card sizes. These kits contain everything you need to get started. Newer phones may use an eSIM instead of a physical SIM card. An eSIM is embedded directly in your device and connects to the network using your device's IMSI identifier. You'll need to gather essential information for the porting process. This includes your old phone number, your new phone's IMEI number, your Straight Talk SIM card number, and account details from your previous carrier. To get your number transfer PIN, text NTP to 611611 from your old phone. This PIN is essential for the porting process and is valid for a limited time, typically 7 days. Finally, and this is crucial, keep your old phone service active until the number transfer is completely finished. This ensures a smooth transition and prevents any service interruption during the porting process. Begin the activation process by visiting the Straight Talk website. Look for the activation section and select the option to transfer your existing number to your new device. Enter all required information carefully. This includes your account number from your previous carrier, the transfer PIN you obtained earlier, your phone's IMEI number, and your personal details. The transfer process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. During this time, keep your old phone active and functional. Do not cancel your previous service until the transfer is completely finished. Once the transfer is complete, test your new phone thoroughly. Make a test call, send a text message, and verify that your data connection is working properly. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, here are the key troubleshooting steps. Contact the Straight Talk port team directly at 1-866-806-1840, extension 332264. Double-check your account information is accurate, including account number and zip code.